Day 55, a bit windy today. Try and block the wind so you can actually hear what the hell I'm saying. If I can find the speaker. So a little bit overcast, but a lovely day. Just turn up site now to see what's going on. Training with Brooke. Roller man is just about to start. They've laid the blinding, obviously, which I recorded last night, so he's going to be rolling that today. We're going to be rolling the whole thing, so hopefully they're going to try and put the concrete blinding down the whole surface. So that will be interesting. See what I mean? So this is they call it a concrete blinding, it's 2-inch. That will be over the whole surface. So they start off by doing it obviously in the actual trenches first, and then obviously it then goes up after that. So yeah, so today the goal, I assume, is to try and get that sorted out across the whole surface and get it all rolled. And that's the main aim as far as I'm aware. Finish off the walls, obviously. The walls need to be capped off and filled in. So obviously we recorded that last night, so they're going to be doing the walls here. They moved the electrics yesterday. The electrics were obviously mounted on here, so that's now been taken off and put over there. Camera's now up there. So today I assume they're going to be digging this out, concreting in here, getting that burning water out, which should be in there anyway, blocking the wall right across, right to the very end, and then boxing it up and filling it up. That's, I assume, is the aim. So I'm going to go down and see the site manager now, see what his plans are. Henry's going to roll all day. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, 5:30. Quite a bit done today. Let's have a quick look what we got so far. Spin it around and show you. So we've got the boxing done. Some of the blinding's actually been taken right round here. Boxing's in, as you can see, the inner floor's now been rolled and is now being starting to take down into the sides to join the blinding elements. That's going to have to be done all tomorrow. So the boxing's been done in here. They want to blind all of this floor area and the next door floor area over the weekend and try and get that done so that technically Monday, Tuesday they can start doing the rebar and the DPM, etc. They've also dug out the actual side piece, which is where that guy's standing. Dug that out, re-rolled that. All seems to be good in the hood. So we're going to try and get the roller man back out tomorrow and roll that. This has all got to be re-leveled. All the blinding's got to be taken right through here as well, which has not been done as yet. But pretty much apart from that, that's the last part left. So that's going to end up being done tomorrow with this slab and with the other slab. So that will be completely finished. Then it's just literally tomorrow digging out this gap over here, testing obviously the slime and sludge area underneath, see what it's like, get that one rolled to death, get it brought up to level. It's probably going to have to be brought up to the same level as that, unfortunately. So we'll see what level it needs to be taken up to, but we need to roll that, compact test that. This piece has been dug out, if you remember rightly. We had to go back 6 foot, so that's now been taken out and refilled. We hit rock very quickly there, which is great news. So tomorrow, I say, it's then digging this piece out, digging all this out, checking the sludge and the slurry element of it. If it's still very boggy, then taking it out, putting new marl in there and re-rolling it again. At the same time, whilst that's being done, get the 14-ton roller out and get that rolled tomorrow. So that's pretty much there. Obviously, most of the boxing has been taken off the wall up there, but their focus has been on the floor today. And a lot of the boxing has now appeared on the rear wall. So again, still trying to get that filled up and get that sorted out at the same time. Hey, see you tomorrow morning, buddy. Yeah. So yeah, it's literally, I'm not too sure if they've actually started filling any of that in the moment, but obviously that's quite a large job. But again, the boxing's up, ready and waiting. Yeah, that's pretty much where we are so far. So quite a bit done today, which is good. And tomorrow they obviously got shed loads to do, and it's a bank holiday weekend this weekend, and it is a Monday, Tuesday bank holiday, so it's no work until Wednesday for general, but these guys are going to be doing Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday to try and get as much of this done as possible. So yeah, so tomorrow they're going to physically, by Tuesday they want this all physically done, boxed in and ready, and then they're going to start the rebar on Monday, Tuesday morning. Before they do that, they're going to put a DPM sheeting down, 2 layers, then the rebar goes down, and a week Monday/Tuesday is when they're aiming to actually get the concrete trucks in, the pumping stations, and get pouring the concrete. So fingers crossed we could be finishing the floor this week and getting the actual concrete poured a week Monday, Tuesday. So that's the plan anyway. So let's have a quick look down the actual walls themselves as they feel. I don't think they have. No, they haven't. Still plenty to do though. So yeah, that's pretty much where we are with the walls. So boss is here paying people. So that's the end of day 55. I always forget what bloody day it is. But more to be done tomorrow, so I'll check in tomorrow morning.